we were really pleased with the service before the sale, which was our little studio building here is virtually all windows, so we had a chance to either make a classic mistake or get it right. And over countless emails back and forth, we exchanged pictures, we talked on the phone back and forth. We finally came up with a good decision and were able to order with absolute certainty that we were going to get the right thing. And of course, as you can see, we did get the right thing. I can't more compliment the installers, the quality of the product. My sense is if you go with Zen, you're going to get it right.